In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing a project that requires visual data, or if you simply want to add a visual touch to your spreadsheets. So, let's dive in and see how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. Once you have it open, navigate to the exact cell where you'd like your image to appear. Clicking on the cell ensures that it's selected and ready for the image insertion. Now, with your cell selected, head to the main menu bar at the top of the page. There, you'll see the option labeled Insert. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Image. You'll notice two options appearing. Choose Image in Cell. This is a crucial distinction because selecting Image over Cells will overlay the image on your spreadsheet, which isn't what we want in this case. Once you've chosen Image in Cell, you'll be presented with several options for sourcing your image. You can upload an image directly from your device, paste a URL if the image is hosted online, or select something from your Google Drive or Google Photos. This flexibility is one of the great advantages of using Google Sheets. Let's pick one of these options that best suits your image location. If you're uploading from your computer, just navigate to the file and hit Open. If you're using a URL, simply paste it into the provided field. For Google Drive or Photos, search or browse for your desired image until you find it. With your image selected, proceed to insert it. You'll notice that the image will automatically fit within the dimensions of the cell, resizing as necessary to ensure a neat appearance. And there it is, inside your chosen cell. The beauty of this feature is that the image maintains its position within the cell. This means that if you choose to move the cell or adjust its size, the image will adjust accordingly without losing quality or placement. This functionality is particularly useful for keeping your spreadsheet organized and ensuring consistency across your data and visuals. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your spreadsheets. By inserting images directly within cells, you can convey information more dynamically and perhaps even run through your data a bit more creatively. I encourage you to experiment with different types of images and placements to see how they can complement your existing data. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!